Hi, this is Bill Werba, CTO at Rumble House Home DVD. I thought I'd go through a short summary introducing our new software product, MultiScopeLite. So what is MultiScopeLite? Well, it's a basic video measurement tool that takes real-time video, whether it's SD or HD, and displays its component parts in standard video scope format. The scopes included in the software package are a waveform monitor, a vectorscope, a combination RGB and YUV parade scope, and a histogram scope. Each scope, other than the vectorscope, can be calibrated in either RGB, percent, or IRE with the appropriate SD or HD color matrix applied. Another feature of MultiScopeLite is the system's ability to adjust its display refresh rate and quality factor, depending on the available compute power of the platform where MultiScopeLite has been installed. Displays may have slower updates and show coarser result, for example, if the computer is slow, or can have faster updates and finer detailed renderings if the computer is a high-speed multi-core machine. You can also reconfigure the GUI layout by moving the scope and video monitor screens around if you wish. Here we have the layout of the video scopes expanded and lined up side by side in any one of several possible layouts. First, we have the waveform monitor to the left of the screen. The scope shown just plots the luma or Y component of the YCRCB coded video frame. A waveform monitor is primarily used as a means to verify levels of contrast and brightness within an image, and indirectly, you could observe changes in any midtone distributions if any gamma adjustments are to be made. Next in line is the vectorscope. It plots the actual hues present within an image as vectors, along with the degree of saturation for that hue. In the scope shown here, the traces plotted are the actual colors within the image, just to emphasize the distribution and strength of the available colors. You can change the traces to classic green if you don't want the colors, and can also change the plot traces to either lines or dots. The next scope is RGB parade. It is much like the waveform monitor in structure and behavior, but rather than just luma being displayed, the pixel RGB values are separated and then plotted in individual RGB bars, just horizontally squashed in triplets. RGB parade, for example, is a very useful tool when pedestal, gain, and gamma differences within an image are to be monitored or corrected. The last display is the histogram scope. Our histogram plots out 4 traces: luma and the 3 individual RGB pixel distributions. Having histogram capability makes it immediately obvious why an image is the way it is, just by looking at the pixel distributions and the bin heights. A real indicator of dynamic range, for example, if interpreted properly. Here we have the built-in video monitor. It's been scaled to fit either 16:9 or 4:3 aspect ratios, which can accept 480, 720, and 1080 resolution videos. Having a video monitor is a necessary part of any video measurement toolbox. To set or adjust the performance levels or modes of operation, MultiScopeLite has a number of user setup dialogues available. All of them are very easy to learn and to set. There is a device capture dialog, as seen on the left of the screen, which finds, configures, and enables installed capture devices, followed by a GUI layout dialog, which allows the moving around of the GUI screen components, and finally, a setup dialog for scope screen reticle and plot ranges. We have also included a real-time console in the product, which reports system error conditions along with the state of internal and user-activated processes, all while the software is running. It's really handy in showing the health of the system while in operation. Of the many Windows-based video capture devices out there, our product will work with them. It doesn't matter if the video capture device is a PCI card, an Ethernet camera, or a USB camera, MultiScopeLite will in many instances connect to it. This includes well-established professional capture devices from BlackMagic Design, AJA, Grass Valley, just to name a few, or to other well-known consumer products from Hopig, AverMedia, Pinnacle, Logitech, and others. And of course, these imaging devices could have input interfaces like HDMI, SDI, FireWire, or even the older standard analog inputs, all of which will work with MultiScopeLite. Being a Windows-based product, MultiScopeLite installs easily into computer platforms running on Windows 7, XP, and Vista, and either 32-bit or 64-bit versions. One caveat, however, MultiScopeLite will only work at one LCD monitor resolution for this release, and that is 1920 by 1080, or if you have it, 1200. There is a minimum compute power required to run our product as well. A single core but fast machine would work. However, it is recommended that faster multi-core machines be used. As an important note, only video input is supported at this time, so no audio can be captured. Any interleaved AV input stream will work, but the audio component will be ignored. So, to cap, MultiScopeLite combines 5 real-time video scopes to run simultaneously in one simple-to-use interface. The software presents and synchronizes live video streaming to a built-in high-resolution video monitor, and it provides the means to easily connect to many Windows-compatible capture devices so you can begin to use it immediately. MultiScopeLite also operates in calibrated SD or HD modes and presents the video data in industry-recognized color spaces. So there you have it, a brief overview of our product, MultiScopeLite. Right now we're offering this video product at a low introductory price of just $49.95. Also, we will provide 30-day support at no charge, and would be happy to answer any questions you may have. We also have a trial version for you to check out, so you can run it under real working conditions. The trial product will be fully functional for 3 days. If you're interested in the trial, you can get the download link located just below this video. Also free of charge is a user guide, downloadable as a PDF. The download link also found below this video. Equally, you can call us toll-free at 1-877-397-3971 or email us if you wish at support@homedvd.ca to communicate with us directly. MultiScopeLite can be downloaded for a great value of just $49.95. That is, you get a professional real-time video measurement and monitoring tool for a great price of just $49.95. When comparing similar hardware equivalents, MultiScopeLite offers much more for less. Thank you for taking the time to review this product with me.